Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking about how to set up a non-GRBL machine with Easel so you can still use Easel to design things, export G-code, and then carve that with your non-GRBL machine. Essentially, GRBL, spelled G-R-B-L, is the type of firmware that Easel connects to. And so if your machine runs on a different type of firmware, you can still design in Easel and then export G-code and carve that. So we're going to talk a little bit about what that looks like. First, I'm just going to design something really simple. I'm going to set a square up right here. And when I go and click on Project, I'll have the option to download G-code. If I click on that, you can see that it says Add a machine. You currently don't have a CNC machine set up. Add a machine to start carving or download G-code. So before you're able to download G-code from Easel, you need to set up some sort of machine profile, and this will allow you to export G-code. So I'm going to go ahead and exit out of this, and then click on Machine and Set Up New Machine. And we'll click on Start Machine Setup. And essentially, this is going to open up the first part of our machine setup. All of these machines are machines that can connect to Easel. They're all GRBL based or GRBL based, and we have machine profiles assembled for them. If you're using a non-GRBL machine, you're going to want to click down here that says, where it says, I have a different CNC manufacturer that is not listed. When you click on that, you're going to see the option to enter your machine details. Make, you'll select other because the make that wasn't listed in the previous page. And then you can input the details for your machine. In this case, I'm just going to put in YouTube tutorial and model 1. And then the most important thing that you need to click on here is when it says X controller or other GRBL-based controller or other. You have two options. If your controller isn't GRBL-based, you won't want to click this. You'll want to click on other. And then you'll put in your work area. In this case, we'll just do 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters. And then how your spindle is controlled, either by hardware, which means you would it would be part of the machine setup process. When you set up a carve, the spindle would turn on automatically as part of that, or manual, meaning you would flip a switch on, say, a router to start the spindle. And in this case, I'm going to click hardware, and then I'll confirm settings. And now my machine profile is set up. I can go ahead and click on this and click on project and download G-code. And now my G-code is downloaded. It's got my machine work area involved. It knows what type of spindle I'm using, so it knows the G-code commands to send to that. And I'm able to export that G-code and run it on my non-GRBL based machine. And that's a little bit about setting up a non-GRBL based machine profile in Easel so you can export G-code. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.